Welcome to miniOrange. Today we will see how to upgrade the miniOrange Two-Factor plugin. Click on the miniOrange Two-Factor plugin from the left side menu. Go to the Plans and Pricing tab. Here you can see all plans with pricing. I am selecting the Premium Lite plugin. Click on the Getting Started button. Number of sites. Select the number of sites on which you want to enable two-factor. Number of SMS transactions. Select the number of SMS transactions if you want to purchase any. Total amount will be displayed. Then click on the Upgrade button. If you are not logged in, you will be redirected to the registration page. You can make a new account if you have not registered. I already have an account. Click Already has an account. You will be redirected to miniOrange dashboard. Enter your login credentials. Click on the Submit button. Click on the Getting Started button. Then click on the Upgrade button. Enter your password. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the payment page. Select the number of sites on which you want to enable two-factor. Select the number of email transactions if you want to purchase any. You can select this option for a support plan. Your total amount will be displayed here. Enter payment details along with other details. Enter credit card number. Click on the Pay Now button. Your transaction is completed successfully. Your license has been upgraded. Click the Releases and Downloads tab. Page scroll down. See the WordPress Two-Factor Premium Lite plugin. Then click on the Downloaded plugin. See the Downloaded plugin. Go to your File Explorer. Click on the Downloads option. You can see that the WordPress Two-Factor Premium Lite plugin has been downloaded. Go to the miniOrange Two-Factor plugin. Go to the Plugins option. Deactivate miniOrange Two-Factor free plugin. Enter your feedback. Click on the Send button. Click the Delete option. miniOrange Two-Factor free plugin was successfully deleted. Click on the Add New button. Click on the Upload plugin button. Click Choose File option. Select miniOrange Two-Factor Premium Lite plugin. Click on the Open button. Click on the Install Now button. Click on the Activate plugin button. Your miniOrange Premium Lite plugin is activated. Click on the miniOrange Two-Factor plugin from the left side menu. A license key is required to upgrade to Plugin Premium. Click on the I Understand button. Enter your login credentials. Click on the Submit button. Click here to view your license key. Enter your credentials. Click on the Login button. Go to your license option. Click on the View License Key button. Copy to the license key. Paste the license key. You have read it and check this box. Click on the Activate License button. Your plugin has been upgraded to Premium successfully. Click on the Setup Two-Factor tab. You can configure any of these authentication methods. We hope that the video was useful for you, and thanks for watching.